Ose.
Yes, madam.
We've worked together for some time now. You're becoming closer to me, even more than my husband. I want to make life comfortable for you. Take this.
What for, madam?
It's for you. Take it. $10 million cedis for me?
Thank you, madam. Thank you. Thank you very much. God bless you, madam.
It's a pleasure.
10 million? Am I dreaming?
You are not dreaming. This is a reality. Ose, I want you to do me a favor.
Just name it.
I want you to go out with me.
Are you comfortable with it?
Oh, it's very nice.
Ose?
Papa.
Come. How was your first day in this house?
Very fine, sir.
All right, go. Grace, what do you think of him?
I am not comfortable at all with his presence here, especially with the girls around.
Oh, but Ose is married.
That is the more reason why I don't want him go about impregnating my girls.
My God, is that how you are thinking? Huh? He's a nice gentleman and he wouldn't do anything silly. Huh? Please, relax.
How can I relax? Honey, if you wouldn't mind, send him back to the village.
Hey, what has come over you? Huh? Please, please don't let us drag this issue. Huh? Ose will stay right here.
What is the problem?
Anita, Bonsu has gone for his nephew to my disagreement. He insists the boy is staying right here with us.
You see, with the little grace that the Lord has bestowed on him, he wants everybody to know.
I simply don't know what to do.
Simple. Just maltreat him. And no one will tell him to leave. He will live on his own.
Anita, you are right. I will do just that. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. You know you can always count on me. Men.
Come in.
Good morning, madam. Good morning, Aneke.
Madam, good morning.
Good morning.
This is Mansa, Amina Mansa, my wife. She's here to visit me. She will leave for the village tomorrow. Mansa, this is Auntie Grace, of Abunsu's wife, and Nanekuya, her daughter.
How are you, Mansa? I think we've met before. When we came to Nana Kodue's funeral.
Yes, madam.
How is Edosewa?
She's doing well, madam, and she sends her greetings.
Please, is Wofa Abunsu in? We want to greet him.
Oh, he went out with Cynthia.
Oh, okay. Then we'll be at the boys' quarters.
Okay. Mansa, you are welcome.
Thank you.
You are welcome, Mansa.
Thank you, sister.
Osei, I didn't know your wife was such a beautiful lady.
Oh, thank you. She's beautiful, but you know, village.
Asamu.
Osaya, what is wrong with your eyes?
I don't know. Something just got into my eye.
Oh, let me see if I can help you.
Hey, Cynthia! What do you think you are doing? You must be ashamed of yourself.
Mom, I'm just trying to help.
Shut up and go inside.
But I'm just
Go inside. Now. And now, you listen and listen carefully. If you look at my daughter twice, you go back to the village. Have I made myself clear? Shut up! Come on, clear! Clear off! Bush boy. Cynthia, what is wrong with you? What were you trying to do with that bush boy?
Mother, I was only trying to help him.
Shut up! Are you a nurse? Didn't you refuse to go to nursing school? You should be ashamed of yourself.
Ma, you are taking this matter too far. What is wrong with what she did? She was only trying to help.
Shut up! You fool! Let me see any of you in that compromising situation with that bush boy again. Can't you find a better man around than that bush boy?
Cynthia, what has come over Mama? Huh?
You have to respond when I call you.
Madam, I was trying to clean the bathroom.
Shut up! You don't talk when I'm talking to you. Bush boy. Now let me warn you. Yesterday was the last time you had an encounter with any of my girls. They are not your class. You must be content with your bushwife. She is your class. Even my daughters shouldn't allow you to polish their shoes. Have I made myself clear?
Yes, madam.
Honey. I want to talk to you.
Can't it wait? I'm tired. I must be in the office very early tomorrow morning. You know I have a lot of catch-ups to do.
It is very important.
Alright, what is it?
Don't you think it's about time you wrap up in the office and join me in my shop? I can't cope with the workload. I need a man to help.
It's a good idea, but I can't meet you at deadline.
Why?
You know the nature of my work. I can go on voluntary retirement without letting my board know at least 8 months. Why don't you hire somebody to help until I join you?
It is not easy to find someone who is trustworthy.
Yes, you are right. But wait. That's it.
That is what?
The solution is here with us in this house. Osaya has completed secondary school. You can shift him to the store to hold the pot for me until I join you.
Osaya?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I don't trust that boy one bit.
I trust him. He's a nice gentleman.
Okay. If that is what you want, let it be so. But I am still not comfortable with it.
Oh, good morning, Jose.
Good morning, Wafa.
How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Have you checked the engine oil?
Yes, everything is in order.
Good. Jose,
Wafa.
ever since you came to live with us, I've been observing you seriously. You are a hard-working boy.
Thank you, Wafa.
My wife and I had therefore decided to shift you to the shop.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, thank God. Thank you, Wafa.
But Jose, before you start jubilating, let me warn you that you shouldn't disappoint me.
Oh, Wafa. I swear, I will never disappoint you.
You know, I just came to know you when you came to live with my mother.
Yes.
Yes. And I had always regarded you as my younger brother.
Thank you, Wafa.
So please don't break that trust.
Wafa, trust me. I will never disappoint you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Wafa. Thank you. Madam, thank you. Thank you.
You are welcome. You will start work tomorrow. Pass by the shop for some money and buy yourself some new clothes.
Oh, thank you, madam.
Are you ready now?
Yes, Wafa. I'm almost through.
Love you.
Love you too. Osea.
Yes, madam.
Come here. I have observed, and I think you are a very hard-working guy.
Thank you, madam.
For your reward, take this.
Thank you, madam.
Okay, you can go and continue your work.
Thank
you. Darling,
Yes.
I have a confession to make.
What is it?
It's about your boy. He is hardworking. I want to assign him as my personal assistant, but I need your approval.
You are at the shop with him. You have every right to assign him any new position you like.
Thank you. Then he assumes his new position tomorrow.
All right. Oh, this is my play. Oh,
Who pesa pa? Who pesa wadre? Shebibi yo. Shebibi. Osei.
Yes, madam.
We've worked together for some time now. You're becoming closer to me, even more than my husband. I want to make life comfortable for you. Take this.
What for, madam?
It's for you. Take it. $10 million cedis for me? Thank you, madam. Thank you. Thank you very much. God bless you, madam.
It's a pleasure.
10 million? Am I dreaming?
You are not dreaming. This is a reality. Osei, I want you to do me a favor.
Just name it.
I want you to go out with me.
Damn it!
Bonsu, take it easy. Please come and sit down. I have something very important to tell you.
I won't sit. Whatever you want to tell me, tell me.
Okay, it's about your wife.
What about her?
I saw your wife in a very compromising situation with your shop assistant. In fact, it wasn't pleasant at all. I suspect she's having an affair with him.
Joe, you need to see a doctor. A psychiatrist won't be a bad idea. Eh? Whatever it is, shove it under your armpit and try it somewhere else. It can never work on me. Good day.
I said the name when you're my baby, in your destiny. And T-ball would break, and there be a yeah. But destiny, share new yeah. Now, baby, I know. And one I will be child. I said the name when you're my baby, in your destiny. And T-ball would break, and there be a yeah. Destiny, share new year. Now be jano, no na be child. It's name when you're my baby, mean your destiny. And people will break, there be a yeah. Destiny, share new year. Now be jano, no na be child. Name when you're my baby, mean your destiny. And people will break, there be a yeah. Destiny, shenu yeah. Nya be jano, no na be cha. Nya be jano, and no na be cha. Nya be jano, and no na be cha. When you're my baby, mean your destiny. And people will break, and there be a yeah. A destiny, share new year. Now be jano, no na be child. It's name when you're my baby, mean your destiny. And people will break.
Hi, darling. Sorry we are late.
Oh. Okay.
We had to make arrangements for a container to be brought tomorrow. We have run out of goods.
Oh.
Thank you, Osei. You can rest now. I'll see you tomorrow.
Thank you, madam. Good evening, Ofa.
Oh, good evening. I hope you had a nice day at work.
Yes. Thank you.
Yeah. Osei, come back. Have you been hearing from Abna?
Yes, Ofa. Is that all you want to ask me?
Yes. But do you have anything to tell me?
No. Good night, Ofa.
Oh, good night. Grace, come and sit down. Here you are.
Thank you.
Osei! Come here.
Since name Nyama baby, in your destiny. And T-ball would braille. They be a serious.
Now, why didn't you wash the car this morning?
I got too tired yesterday.
Hey, Osei, this time you're finding excuses too much, oh. Right. Okay, I'll be away for a few days. Monday morning I'll be with you.
Okay.
Right. I'm going to the village. Do you have anything for your wife?
No, I sent her some money last week. She's okay.
All right, open the gate.
I said name Nyama baby, in your destiny.
I'll be back on Monday morning.
Destiny, share New Year. Yahu Bejano, Nwana Ubecha. I said name Nyama baby, in your destiny. And T-ball would braille. Let there be a serious. Destiny, share New Year. Now Bejano, Nwana Ubecha. It's name Nyama baby.
You know, Cynthia and Alexa are coming home. So get your rooms ready. Okay?
Darling, we have to be extra careful. The girls are coming home.
For how long are they going to be at home this time?
6 weeks.
Okay.
Ball would braille. Let there be a serious.